Scott's lot, yeah. Scott's lot, yeah. So I had to tell you that I got the call from a friend I made in the strip mall where I park all the cars. They told me the police came this morning, so now I'm driving fast to try and see if the cars are towed or if I got tickets. Scott's lot, Scott's lot, Scott's lot.
Okay, so we are so on my way now to Scott's lot. Basically got a phone call saying that the police were there and the city were there. I'm guessing the owner of the lot has noticed that we've been there for so long and called the city, who called the police. And basically now I have to get there, but there's traffic everywhere and I just can't get out of traffic. I need to get there as fast as possible. We are so we're so screwed. I don't even know what to do. So now we got to get there and see, like, are there tickets on the cars? Are the cars towed? Is Scott's lot even there? So today's check-in isn't going to be check-in as a joke, ha ha ha, Scott's lot. No, today is check-in. Did they tow my cars? Are the cars still there? Oh God, I knew this day was gonna happen. Like, I'm not stupid. You can't run a car in somebody else's You can't run a car dealership in somebody else's parking lot forever. Obvious. But I didn't expect it to be today. That just sounds dumb, because when did I expect it to be? I don't know. But now this traffic won't go away. Woosa. Calm down. This is an emergency situation right now. So let's get to Scott's lot. And I guess see. That's it, guys. I'll check into you when I get to Scott's lot. So, we're here at Scott's lot. Yesterday we got the citations. I should have moved the cars, but I didn't.
Why are you the way that you are?
Because I said, I'm only one person, how am I going to move the cars? A better plan would be to find the owner, talk to the owner, and try and beg and plead and work something out, maybe pay them, I don't know what, but to leave the cars here or find a solution. So, like an idiot, I left the cars overnight. So, yesterday was citations. Today, tickets. So, $82 a car. 8 times 5 is $400. Now, financially, realistically, if I were to give somebody advice of whether or not they should do it, $400 for 5 months. That's the cheapest car dealership ever. But now we have no more Scott's lot. See if I can find the owner. So, as it turns out, I was able to ask around and see where the owner is. And they are in the same mall. So, now the plan is to walk to the owner's office, beg and plead, and try and work out some sort of deal of leaving the cars here. Let's see if it works. All we can do is hope and pray. So right now we're on our way there. This is it. Here's the door. Let's see. Wow. So that went terribly. I don't think it could have gone any worse. And the cars have to be gone in the next 24 hours.
Game over.
So yeah, I don't know what to do. I guess we're moving the cars. And that's that. So, that's the next logistics thing. But we couldn't work out a deal. They were very, very angry. Understandable. Offered to pay for the past dues. Not happening. Kind of wasn't a conversation. Was more of a him yelling and not letting me get in. Asking me why I did it. Try to answer. Cut me off. Ask me how much I'm going to pay. Try to answer. Cut me off. Am I going to pay the back? Yes. Trying to say I was going to pay the back. Nope. Cut me off. So it really wasn't a conversation. It was more of a just him angry and barking at me. We'll figure it out.